Well, we begin tonight with developing news. Accused killer Jason Pleau has agreed to plead guilty in exchange for federal prosecutors dropping their plans to seek the death penalty.
Pleau is accused of shooting and killing David Main outside a Woonsocket bank in 2010, and debate over his potential death sentence sparked a major custody battle between the state and the feds. Eyewitness News reporter Marilyn Scher joins us now live outside the State House in Providence.
Today's plea agreement winds down a case that put Rhode Island in the national legal spotlight over states versus federal rights on the custody of suspects. Now, in the end, the Justice Department, which wanted custody of Pleau so they could seek the death penalty against him, didn't get either. The Jason Pleau murder and robbery case appears to be reaching a conclusion on its own. The Justice Department has withdrawn its intent to seek the death penalty against Pleau after a signed plea agreement was filed Friday in U.S. District Court in Providence. Pleau and the U.S. attorney reached a deal that allows him to plead guilty as charged under a federal indictment for the robbery and murder of Woonsocket gas station manager David Main. Main was shot and killed September 20th, 2010, as he attempted to enter a Woonsocket bank and deposit gas station receipts. As part of the deal, the government agreed to seek life imprisonment without parole instead of the death penalty, which it had sought due to the violence involved in the bank robbery. Governor Lincoln Chafee issued a statement saying, "My thoughts are with Mr. Main's family. The case has reached a conclusion, and Mr. Main's family can begin the long process of healing. A life sentence is the appropriate punishment for this brutal crime and respects Rhode Island's long-standing opposition to the death penalty." The governor has said he was disappointed that the U.S. Supreme Court decided not to review the custody battle. So now, nearly 3 years after the crime occurred, the court will decide whether or not to accept today's plea agreement. Now, Eyewitness News did reach out to the Main family, and they said they will release a public statement when they are ready. Reporting live with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Marilyn Scher, Eyewitness News.